Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word affinities. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Despite their different backgrounds, the two friends discovered they had many affinities when it came to their interests and values. Affinities refers to a strong connection or similarity between people or things, often based on shared interests, values, or characteristics. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.